Good morning, YouTube. Whoa! Okay, you guys, I got a PR package from Vanity Bay. Never heard of it before, the company. So obviously I looked it up, and she does press-ons. She was like, if we send you some, would you review them? Yeah, okay, we'll do that. So I got my nails all cleaned up. Found out that I got something called Greenie. If you've heard of it, leave a comment down below. It's where moisture builds up under the nail from lifting. Good thing I caught it early, so this nail will not be getting anything today. In fact, I just took off the acrylic and I sprayed it with acetone, pure acetone, and we just gonna leave her alone. Buffed it out. She's just gonna stay this way for a while until I don't see any more. So, but that's what we're gonna do with her. We're not gonna put nothing on her. So let's see what press-ons we got though. Shall we? I will leave all of her links in the description. She did let me choose 4 pairs. So we've got, is there names? I can't remember the name. If there are, I'll leave each one in the description. I'm trying to see if there's, so it looks like 24 reusable nails. Okay, is it up here? It's not up there either. Now I've tried press-ons before. Okay, you have a little orange stick here, so when you go to peel off the nail, you can do that. Comes with 24, so you just have to get the right size. Oop, there's a little nail file. You got an alcohol pad, and then you get some stickies if you want them instead of the glue, which this is what I'm going to use. Now, I've already buffed out my nails, so I'm not going to worry about the little nail file. And then, so this is what this set looks like. Those are pretty. Those are not what I'm going to use today, though. No, I'm not. So I'm going to put all this back in here. Okay, and then these are super cute. I love these ones. They're so sweet and they're summery, and there's still no name. But these are the ones that we're going to put on today. And then, of course, we had to get some pink and blue ones. I tried to get different lengths, but apparently, did I at least get different? Yeah, so this one's more like a stiletto. These two are almond, short almonds. Or maybe those are mediums, I can't remember. And then these ones here, which are just your basic pink. Okay, so let's put these ones on. She has quite a variety. She's got shorts, mediums, long ones, different shapes. If I can get the box open. hold it the right way, Christine. Yep. Don't want to break it because they're reusable. You can pop them off and put them back on later if you want. You can mix and match if you want. Ooh, okay, so there's everything there. And there's all the nails. I'll do one with you guys and then I'll do the rest off camera and then come back and show you. Is it taped? Oh, there we go. Let's see. Is there a bigger one than that? Whoop! Shit's flying. Oh God, that's too big. See, this is going to be my problem. Is trying to find one that fits. Oh wait, do we have a winner? I think this might be a winner, you guys. Let me go look and I'll be right back. Okay, we have them all picked out. So now we're going to use our alcohol. Normally, if you hadn't already, you would take your file and file down your nails. But since I've already done that, well, we'll give them a good scraping because I did buff them. You just want the either the glue or the sticker to adhere to your nail bed. So we did that. Take the alcohol swab and make sure that it's a nice clean surface. I am not a professional at this, so please don't be like, oh, it's in. I'm going off the directions. They're on the back of the box, okay? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yep. So now we're going to put the sticky one. I don't want them on permanently. I'm going to try it with this sticky tab first. Maybe if I can get the plastic off. There's a top layer of plastic, isn't there? Yes. Okay, so it looks like I gotta take this top part off without. Okay, so now there's a little paper. There we go. And then we just put this on the nail as evenly as possible, but you know, it's me. And then we just take this top part off. Come on, get down there. There we go. Just like that. Okay, and then we're going to take our first nail and go from the back to the front. Just push it down really good. Make sure there's no bubbles. Make sure we got it on straight. It's got a little bit of overage. So I'm just going to come in here, file this down a little bit. Just a little bit. And there you go. Just hold it down for a second. Wow, that is long. Holy crap. Are the other ones like that? Yeah, they are. These must be long ones. That figures. I picked the first pair to put on are freaking long. We got a little divot there in the center. That little piece. We want to take that off. There we go. Ooh, she's long. They didn't look that long, but they are. Woo. All right, BRB. Okay, you guys, we got them on. This is actually the next day. I had to take off my dip nails because of this one here. I just went ahead and took them all off. So the nails actually lay a lot better if you just use your natural nail and not trying to put them over like an acrylic or a dip nail. So this turned out way better, way easier, and it just looks better. It just looks better. It feels better. So here are the Vanity Bay nails. These are the ones we put on. Super cute. Again, I didn't put them on this hand because I'm still, this nail is going to take some loving. So there we go. Super pretty. And you guys, you can use the glue, you can use the sticky, you can use, I don't know, both of them at the same time. However you want to do it. Sorry, my allergies are going crazy. The entire neighborhood everybody's mowing their lawns today. So, I will have her linked in the description. I do not have a code, but you do get the sticky tabs. You get the glue. You get a little nail file. The glue is in there. You also get the little orange stick too, so when you're going to take them off, here it is, the little orange stick, so when you go to take them off, you just go up under the nail and just slide it through. So you could do that. But yeah, I'm gonna go take some pictures. They're super pretty. When you go to put them down, make sure you go from the back of the nail so that you're lining that up. I don't know about these two. They're really pretty though. I do like the yellowy orange. So we will try these other ones at another time. But right now, this is what she look like. So pretty. So thank you to Vanity Bay for sending these my way. I'm sure I can get some more of some use out of them. If not, I know the girls will, or at least Shyla will. So, okay guys, thank you so much, and until next time, see y'all later. Bye!